Hello guys, Unboxer Kid here, back with a brand new video. Today we're unboxing the Dragon Touch Action Cam Vision 3. So this is the 4K Ultra HD Sports model. This comes with 16 megapixel camera and it's 4K 30 FPS, and this is a 170 degree angle, wide angle of being able to take pictures and videos. And this is a Wi-Fi connected camera. So this can go 98 feet underwater, so that's pretty cool. It's waterproof, 98 feet under the water. So this comes with a image sensor, 16 megapixel CMOS sensor. The video resolution would be 4K 30 FPS, 2.7K/30 FPS, 1080p/60 FPS, 1080p/30 FPS, 720p/120 FPS, 720p/60 FPS, and 720p/30 FPS. The image resolution is 16 megapixels, 12 megapixels, 8 megapixels, 5 megapixels, and 2 megapixels. So this LCD is a 2.0 LCD. Wi-Fi operating system would be Android and iOS. If you can see, Wi-Fi OS, Android and iOS. So lens, it is a 170 degree HD wide angle lens. Memory, micro SD card up to 64 GB not included. So you can expand your memory up to 64 GB. So language would be English, French, German, Spanish, Italian, Japanese, and Chinese. Those are the languages. Battery, they have 2 batteries just in case if you need a spare battery. And then it is a 1050 mAh battery and waterproof, 98 feet. Okay, so let's see. Download. The application is called the XDV, and you can download it in the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. So let's open this up. So what you get here is a little cover to take off. I don't know why, because mine was ripped. So let's see. We can just okay, so now I just got a hand on this. So I finally got a hand on one of these, because from now on, this camera will be what I used to record with on my unboxings. So, and later videos. So, done with that. Now let's open the top. Okay, let's see. This box is white. Ooh, here we go. Also, I forgot to mention, this comes with a wrist remote, which can be used to control the camera itself. And here it is. We have Dragon Touch camera, 4K Ultra HD Vision 3. So this can be screwed onto something like a gaming setup. So yeah. Next, we have the next item in the box, which seems to be covered in a white plastic protector. Oh no, it's a whole new box. To open this again. Okay, so here we go. This has all the accessories in it. So this would be one of the batteries, I guess. Yeah, you have to. Oh, this is a charger for those batteries. So this is the charger for those batteries, I guess. Let's just open it up and see how it looks. We are going to see what this actually. Yeah, this is the battery charger. So that just charges up your batteries. Here is one battery pack. Wait, here's one battery pack. And then let's see what's next. This is the second battery pack. So next we have this, which is for mounting your camera onto it. And this is another mount. So we have a couple of mounts in here to mount the camera on different places. This is a little plastic pouch you can put all your camera equipment into. This right here is something for cleaning the dust off of your screen. It's for clearing the dust off of your screen. Here's another mount. Silica gel. Okay, that's not important. Let's see, we got a little, what do you call it? Velcro. Here's the wrist remote. Here's the wrist remote I was talking about. So this right here is the take photo button. This right here is the take video button. So let's check out what else is in there. For some reason, the silica gel. Another wire. These are all USB wires. So what's this? Another mount. Okay, the rest of these in here, I guess, are mounts. Yeah, these are all more mounts to mount them onto different things. I guess you could just mount this on, and this was meant mainly for recording movies and lifestyle stuff. So anything like YouTube or something that you want. Ooh, this is interesting. This is part of the case. So this right here is the action camera, 2.4 GB. The 2.4G remotes. So that would be it for today's unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like the video if you want a review on this. So thank you so much for watching, and see you next time, guys. Goodbye.